the challenge. I'm telling you it is a writing challenge. A fixed amount of time will be given to you. A writing task will be given to you and you will share it on the screen. And all the others will scan what you have written and try to find a mistake in what you have written.
We are fine.
Okay. Let's see who else is ready for this challenge.
Without challenge, we are fine.
No, it's a challenge because then others are going to scan post-mortem what you have written. From all pros and cons, they are going to analyze what you've written. So there is no chance at all for any errors.
That means what we have to write.
That I'll tell later. First, I've told you so many things. Time will be given to you. A writing thing will be given to you. A very short writing task. And I told you this that I will not be checking. There will be so many people who will be checking. All those who joined the meeting, all of them will check. So how many are ready for the challenge?
Ma'am, what kind of writing? Like notice, letter, and
It's a short writing passage, not more than 50 words. Whatever you have done, you've done very limited writing section now this year. So it will be something from that only. I think Harsh has already given yes. One name has already come in.
No, ma'am, that was not yes. I was saying no.
Okay, you were saying no. But you too said without challenge also we are ready.
No, ma'am. I said we are fine. We don't want any challenge. Let's study. I was saying that.
So this is studying only, but studying to the level of perfection.
Ma'am,
He's
Siddharth
studying
Aryan was interested in what?
Ma'am,
This is also studying, but then this is studying to the level of
Okay,
perfection.
ma'am.
It's been years. मुझको तो I feel at times that for years we are doing the same topics of writing and still that perfection is not coming. I don't know what is lacking, where it is lacking. So I think Harsh is
Okay,
already in.
ma'am.
Who else? Who else is in? Come
Ma'am,
on.
the one who accept first would post it at last.
No. Come on. Who else is there? Who else is ready? Kirat, are you there? Ready for the challenge? Ojasvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Ojasvi is ready or Kirat is ready? Fine. Kirat is ready. Ojasvi is ready. Two girls are already ready.
What's the
I
challenge?
want one or two. I'll tell you what has to be done. That's a suspense.
Ma'am, Siddharth Aryan.
Siddharth, are you ready? Is he ready? See,
Yes,
I don't
ma'am,
want to
he's
force
ready,
it.
ma'am.
yes, ma'am. I'll do that.
Okay, Siddharth is ready, Harsh Deshwal is ready, Kirat is ready, Ojasvi is ready. 4 are already done. I want one more. That's all for today.
Ma'am, one
Five
from
are
C.
enough.
Ma'am Shreya Agarwal. Ma'am, please. Shreya.
Ma'am,
Anybody.
Ma'am,
Good if somebody is from
interested.
commerce.
Shreya, speak.
Nobody from commerce? Nobody from commerce, beta? Nobody wants
Ma'am
to
Shreya,
join?
Ma'am Shreya.
Ma'am, Vardhan wants to join the challenge.
Vardhan, say yes.
Ma'am, his driver is not working, so on behalf of him, I am saying yes.
Okay, Vardhan wants to join. So we've got 5.
No, ma'am.
Okay, last.
I did not say.
Harsh, you ready or you're not ready, Vardhan? Vardhan
Yes,
is ready or
ma'am,
not?
Yes.
Ready. So 5 are already in. Last 1 minute. Is there anyone else who's interested for the challenge? It's a Maha challenge. Let's see who is the best writer of the present batch of class 12th.
Ma'am, what is the price? Price.
10 chocolates.
1 week
Prize
holiday.
is 20. Prize is 20 out of 20 marks in internals for your board examination.
Ma'am, 1 week holiday. For whole
Yes,
11.
ma'am.
For whole 12.
Yes, 1 week holiday. Had it been school, I would have given you game periods, huh? But here I cannot. 20 marks for sure. You can take it written from me. Whoever wins this challenge gets 20 out of 20 for internals in board examination. You can take it in written. Then we are having 5 people. Anybody else?
Yes,
Last 30 seconds.
Ma'am,
Anybody
please
interested?
take one C also, ma'am. C.
Ma'am, I think Parth is also quite interested.
Parth, are you interested?
Not at all, ma'am.
Parth should say. Parth, yes. Parth, are you interested?
Not at all, ma'am.
Not at all. So 0 out of 20. Not at all marks you got. Marks awarded, not at all. And remind me, all children, when we have
Yes,
our
ma'am.
internal marks.
Yes, ma'am.
But we
Ma'am,
never
remember.
forget things about internals.
I will also say the same dialogue. Not at all. Nothing. Okay, fine. Only 5 people. Nobody else. Are they interested? She must have left by now, I'm sure. So much time she doesn't give us. Adya Khandelwal, are you there? See?
Ma'am, please take Pranav. Ma'am, Pranav.
I am
Pranav is interested?
having.
Pranav, say yes, I have to start. We don't have that much time.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So we already have how many? 6 people? All others will wait for what you write.
Me
As
too,
soon
ma'am.
as you finish writing, share your screens.
Yeah,
Everybody is
yeah.
going to. Yes. Pranav has already joined. He's taken the challenge. He's in. Abhay is
No,
also
ma'am, I don't know
interested.
what is going on here. I came just
You
now.
don't know.
Just you have to say yes,
We-
nothing else.
Okay, he's just come. Never mind. If he's just come, it's okay. We are starting now. High time now.
Ma'am,
Let's
Yes,
start.
ma'am.
I'm also there.
Okay. You are also there. Who are you?
Abhay.
Acha, Abhay is there. Okay, fine. A, B, stylish. Abhay Bhadoria. Okay, fine. So fine, beta. I have about 6 or 7 of them. But remember, whatever you write will be scanned, postmortem. Every sentence, every word, every part of your format will be checked by everyone. Okay,
Okay.
all the participants here, there are 25 people already joined, more people joining in. Everybody will be checking yours. And if you are at perfection level, all 25 or 23, whatever, approve what you have written, then that means you have reached a level of perfection for that particular topic. So today you'll be writing a short notice. You are the head boy / head girl of SR International School, Bareilly. There's an eye donation camp in the school. School is planning for eye
Ma'am,
donation camp. Yes.
ma'am, topic is quite interesting because we would be needing this soon.
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday's
Yes, ma'am.
conversation still I have it somewhere in my heart. I think that is why this topic came out.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
children, you get only 5 minutes. Your time starts now. Write, share what you have written on the screen. We are all waiting for it. Start. Please start. All those who've taken the challenge, start writing and start posting. Others, revise the format so that we can check whether what they have written is right or not. All of you ensure that you check the formats, revise, because you have to check what they're writing. Smyantik, you're not interested? Keep in mind the time limit, beta. It was only 5 minutes. 1 minute has already passed.
Mom, it could take 10 or 20 seconds more. I am on a PC, I am typing.
Perfect, perfect. Share it on the screen. Hurry up, children. Last 2 minutes. Are we done, children? Can we start posting now? Who will post first?
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, post. First, you only post. Who is going to post first?
Sanya.
Sanya. Okay, fine.
Ma'am, please allow that others can also share the screen. Ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Yes, beta.
Please allow others to share the screen.
First,
Only the
Sanya
host
is,
can share the screen.
Sanya is posting. Okay. Come on, Sanya, you post first.
Mom, you have disabled participant screen sharing.
Yes, ma'am.
Mom, only you can share the screen. You need to change the settings.
Okay, okay. Wait for a second. Let me do it.
Ma'am, I changed now.
Changed. Now post. Now see. Okay, this is Harshvardhan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everybody now, wait for a second. Let's start checking Harshvardhan's passage. Whatever he has written, notice, let us check. You can find as many mistakes. For every mistake you find, you get 1 point. So here it is Ulta system. You find more mistakes, you get more marks. Start finding mistakes. Everybody is open except Harshvardhan. Everybody can check what he has written.
Ma'am, there's no box.
Start, beta. There is no
Ma'am,
box.
he has
Very
not
good.
put it
Who
in
was
the
this?
box. Anubhav.
Yes, 1 point for you. Who is this child?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Anubhav.
ma'am, he
Who
has
gave
written
this
in the school ground.
thing? Very good.
Ma'am, he has written in the
Beta,
school
one by
ground.
one,
It
one
must
by
be
one.
on
Who
the school
gave
ground.
this?
Ma'am,
Acha, chalo, hold on. Pehle to first tell me who
Ma'am,
spoke first. Who found the first
Anubhav.
mistake? I want the name. Anubhav. Anubhav gets 1 point. Very good. Now there was one more child in the school ground. Where is it?
Ma'am, me, Abhay,
Oh,
Abhay.
yes.
Ma'am, he has
Abhay,
written
I
in
could
the
see
school
your
ground.
name. This is a
It
nice
must be
style.
on.
See, this is a nice style that he has done. If others can also do when you find mistakes. Good, you people are teaching me so many things. Okay, fine. 2 mistakes have already come up. Come on, look for more. Find more. 1 point
Ma'am,
each for
spelling
you.
of magistrate, ma'am. Spelling of magistrate.
Spelling of magistrate. Oh, yes. Double G. Okay. 3 mistakes have already come up.
Ma'am, spelling of
Harsh
inaugurated.
Vishwal.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, that
Kazim.
I've
Mom, I
cut
was
it.
highlighting
Spelling
that
of
mistake.
inaugurated.
I was
That is
highlighting the spelling of
MAGI.
magistrate.
What
That
is
is
wrong here?
MA. Ma'am, I've cut the
Um,
teacher wala part.
But ma'am, it
It
is
is
showing
looking
that
like
M.
this.
It is showing M.
contribute. That is no, it's
Ma'am,
okay. It's CON only.
Ma'am,
That's
if I-
okay. It's not an error. It's a writing style.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
here we will give him benefit of doubt. Here we can give him benefit of doubt. It's looking like M, but it is CON. Contribute. Okay, find more. We already have found 4 mistakes.
Ma'am,
Take it to the center
ma'am,
of the
did he
spelling
cut
card.
the, ma'am,
Yes, yes. Inaugurated spelling is wrong. Perfect. Who got this mistake? Who found it? Who pointed out this mistake? Spelling of inaugurated is wrong.
Ma'am, I think Deshwal.
Okay. Fine.
No, ma'am,
District
I was
magistrate.
not the one. Ma'am, I was not the one.
Chalo, anyways,
Who
but we
found it?
have found 5 mistakes already. More to be found?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
20th
Tell me.
September, ma'am, look at the date.
Yes, the TH he has cut. That is what you are trying to say.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
beta.
ma'am.
The date is also not written perfectly. Perfect. One more mistake we have found. 6 mistakes now. See, it's been months we are doing the same thing. So once you try and find mistakes of others, you'll remember that you will not do these mistakes. 6 mistakes have already come up. Anything else? Chalo. I think it is done. Anything more, or should the second person share now?
Ma'am, I think his
Yes.
or her, and it should be there. I think so.
Which sentence are you talking about? Read the line.
Ma'am,
The camp
this
will be
one.
inaugurated by the district magistrate, Mr. Nitesh Kumar.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, in the
if there
last para.
were a school stamp or any signature of vice principal or principal, that would have been more impactful.
Okay, good suggestion. Beta, this sentence, what does it mean? In India, thousands of people are estimated with different eye problems. Estimated? No, detected maybe he's trying to say. What do you say? Do you agree with what
Or
I'm
ma'am,
saying?
maybe
Does this
diagnose.
sentence make sense?
Maybe diagnose, ma'am. Diagnose would be the right
Diagnosed,
word.
I was
detected,
not
something.
getting
No,
the correct
estimated
word, so
is,
I wrote anything.
yes, diagnosed or estimated is not the right word here. The sentence is not making any sense.
Okay, ma'am.
Chalo, we've got almost 10 mistakes now. 10 mistakes have already come up. Why have you put a full stop
Ma'am, I
after
think
so
instead
in the
of
last line?
That is not a full stop. I was
Please
writing
contribute
please,
with
so I
us.
just.
Harshvardhan, look at the last line. Highlight, show your last line on the screen. Please contribute with us or cooperate. What are you trying to say? The last sentence is not correct at all. You are saying please contribute with us. See the last sentence. No, bacha, not at all. You've written please contribute with us. That is not correct. So roughly if I take it around 12 mistakes are already there in this. So if you were to give marks out of 4 and you have already found 12 mistakes in 2 minutes, how many marks will you give Harshvardhan? See, don't think that he's your friend. You're not going to be a friend like this. Rather, you're an enemy if you're not pointing out what he's doing wrong.
Ma'am, out of how many marks?
4. Chalo, let's make it 5. Round figure. Out of 5, you already know. See, you have hardly scanned it for 2 minutes and you know there are about 12 mistakes in this. How many marks will you give out of 5?
And maybe 2.5.
3.
Yeah. Even I would not give more than 2.5. If I'm very generous, I would give 2.5. Otherwise, I would give 2 only. Out of the passage that you've written, out of the part you've written, 3 sentences are not making any sense because the one word that you've used is not appropriate. So Harsh, anyways, somewhere not won the challenge. Now, second person, share the screen. Post. I think Sanya was doing it, she said. Sanya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Ha, beta. Sanya, you share now.
Ma'am, mine is quite brief as compared to hers.
No. See, even if it is brief, it should be perfect. That is more important. Come on, post, beta.
Ma'am, I have posted it at group.
Group. You will not be able to share the screen here. Let me see.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, beta, please post. I want to see everybody, so make it quick. All the 5 people who've written 6, I want to see everyone before 1 o'clock. Quickly, we'll scan now. Children, start. You just have 2 minutes. Start finding the mistakes. I have already found one.
Again, no
September.
box, ma'am.
The box is not there. One
Box
mistake.
is,
September.
ma'am, but box
Yes.
is there, I think.
Ma'am, I've made a box.
Box is there. Acha, हाँ, she
Ma'am,
has
it's not
made a box.
visible.
Yes. No, now I can
Oh,
see the
she's made
pencil
it with
she's
the
done.
pencil. Okay.
Yes. Hurry up. So not even one mistake also is not there. Next. Hurry up.
Ma'am, head girl, please.
September S has to
Ma'am,
be-
head girl at last. Head girl.
And also September S has to be capital, Kirat.
Where is thank you, ma'am? Thank you is not written.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
4 mistakes.
Ma'am, she has written
Good. This is
I
what it should be.
donation
Yes, ma'am. I
pledge
was also
campaign.
marking the same. It should be N.
And I donation.
And I donation. Yes, 5 mistakes have already come up. Very good. More. Kirat, share the lower part also on the screen. I'm not able to see properly after helping the blind. Now I'll see properly. I can see. Okay. So many cuttings are there.
Ma'am, in assembly, the letter is A is capital, ma'am. Assembly hall.
Yes. And beta, what does this mean? The campaign is being conducted under the observation of
Yeah, I
National
was thinking
Program
the
for
same,
Central
ma'am.
Blindness. It's not observation. Can you give me a suitable word
Supervision.
for perfect? So we have got 7 mistakes. Anything else? Hurry up quickly. Just one more
I'm
minute
head
to
girl.
scan this.
I'm a head
Head
girl.
girl. Okay, 8. That's all. Should we move on to the next one? 8 mistakes we have already found.
Head girl.
Okay, what is wrong in head girl, children?
Ma'am, it is looking like a D, ma'am. HE, the A is looking like a D.
That is handwriting. Acha.
Ma'am, I don't think that mistake should be considered. It's head girl.
Yes, ma'am.
And it's evident.
The way of writing is different for everybody.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, AM should be 9 AM onwards. AM should be in capitals.
On the screen,
Ma'am,
actually, no?
the third paragraph line, the campaign is being held.
Ma'am,
I'm
AM
only
should
seeing.
be in.
Wait, let me see quickly. Where has she written? The campaign is being held to make more and more people aware importance of donating eyes immediately after someone's death.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Shouldn't AM be in capitals? 9 AM onwards.
Acha, you're trying to say that this should be taken to deduct her marks. That is what you're trying to say.
No, ma'am, I'm asking whether these things are taken into consideration when you're checking.
Of course, it would be taken into consideration, but first let me confirm from others. Are others aware of this? Should it be written in small or should it be written in capitals? What is your general opinion?
I think both of them are right.
Yes, ma'am. But AM is initialism for.
See, beta, I'll tell you. If you're writing in small letters, both are accepted, but there is a small difference. If you're writing in small letters, you have to put a dot between both of them. And if you're writing in capitals, that dot is not needed. That is the only difference. So now let us check. She has put a dot or she has not put a dot. She has not put a dot now?
Yes, ma'am.
See, is there a dot?
No,
between-
ma'am, no
There
dot.
is no dot between A and N, so this is an error then. Then it is a mistake. The mistake is not that she has written in small letters. That is acceptable, but if you are writing in small letters, there should be a dot between A and M. Otherwise, capitals. So we have found 7 mistakes because she has not put a dot. So give her marks quickly. Out of 5.
Ma'am, 3 or 3.5.
Ma'am, 3.5.
Okay, fine. 3 to 3.5. Very good. Very good. Now next child, come on, share the screen.
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, may I?
Come on, come on. Yes, yes, please, please.
Ma'am, he has
Start.
started.
Post. Start finding mistakes. Come on, children.
Head boy is
17th
not in
September date.
city name.
Ma'am,
City name.
TH is not.
Siddharth, allow
Only
it.
H is written.
Where is the city, Siddharth? Where is your school? Howard's, where is it? Next. TH is not there.
Ma'am, date. Ma'am, date 17th. Only 17 H is written.
He is missing.
One
I think
mistake
that
we've
is a
already got.
17 is.
Ma'am, 17 TH, I think that is a error of writing because he had written H. He would have been writing TH, right?
Oh, ho, ho. Friends to support. But here
No,
we
ma'am,
are
but
scanning
still,
and
Ma'am,
No, I
there
told
should
you
be
in the
space
beginning.
You
between
tell me
I.
whether-
Ma'am, there should be space between I and care.
ma'am, will you give marks in this, like 17th?
Our school, no, 1 mark, 1 mistake found because we told in the beginning we are going to scan, we are going to postmortem. So it
Okay.
has to be from every angle.
Okay, ma'am.
Our
Ma'am,
school
this
is
time,
organized
this
around
campaign will be conducted with different eye care organization. With
Yes, there
support
should be space.
should be
There should be space between I and care.
I
So
and
we have
care.
already got 2 mistakes. Now let's go down, children. Campaign is held to aware. What is the sentence? Campaign is held to aware. More people?
Grammatical error.
Yes. Corrected. The campaign is held to aware more people or to make more people aware. Something like this is what I think he's trying to say. So we have got 1 more mistake. 3. About the importance of donating eyes immediately after someone's death. You're starting a sentence with and my child. A is capital. Why?
Mama, and there he has written specialist doctors and they will convince people.
And to make people, we will be having a talk also about this with our specialist doctors, and they'll convince people to donate eyes after that. That's okay. They can convince. They can request rather. Convincing, requesting. Let's not take it an error. I think only 4. If there's anything else, tell me quickly. 1 is the date.
Ma'am, he has repeated a line. I mean, the meaning of the line is same. The campaign
Which
is to
one,
help
beta?
to aware more people, and after that he has written and to make people aware of this. So I think it
The
means the same,
campaign
right?
is held to aware more about the people on to make people aware of this. Yes, repetition is also
Ma'am?
very good. Yes.
Ma'am, can we write
Yes,
short form of the months like he's written in that sept? Can we write,
Where
ma'am?
is he written, Sam? Actually,
Ma'am,
he has
second
written
line.
there now.
And S is not capital of September.
Yes, S is not capital of September. See, this is what is needed, children. Rather than writing and posting that you've been doing till now on WhatsApp, this is needed. Individually, I need to see, and you also need to realize what is going wrong. I think 6 mistakes already found. 6 or 7. 6 are already
Is it
found.
necessary to place the head boy in the brackets?
It is not necessary, but preferably because it's a designation, we generally do it, beta.
And
But
boy
that is
should
not
be
considered. We
with space.
will not cut your marks for this. No
Ma'am,
marks
there
deducted
is
for this.
not space in head and boy. There should be a space, no?
There is. We are
Head
not
boy.
deducting marks. We are not deducting marks for this. Don't worry if you have not put a bracket or something.
4 marks from my side. 4 marks.
Oh. Okay, others, come on, give marks.
10 out of 5.
Ma'am, it is not in the box.
Out of 5.
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, I'll tell you
3.5
It
or
is in the
4.
box.
Please listen.
3.5.
See,
Ma'am,
it is like last time we said 3 and we took it on a higher side, and being generous, we made it 3.5. This time it deserves 3.5, no doubt. And being generous, let's give it 4. Because for others also 0.5 we've always been adding on as generosity.
Ma'am,
We are
have you
very
counted
generous
that
people.
17th one? Ma'am, I forgot that T.